This bird looks like a dinosaur, and it can stand completely frozen for hours without moving a single inch. But the reason why is absolutely incredible. Fact number 1. The shoebill bird is one of the tallest birds in Africa, growing up to 5 feet tall. Its giant shoe-shaped beak can reach nearly a foot long. Fact number 2. When hunting, a shoebill can stand perfectly still for hours. It waits patiently like a statue until the perfect moment to strike. Fact number 3. When prey gets close, the shoebill attacks with lightning speed. Its powerful beak can grab fish, snakes, and even baby crocodiles in a single snap. Subscribe for more amazing animal facts.